Welcome to this explainer. If you've been searching for a way to roll out top-tier AI to your entire company without drowning in monthly subscriptions, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're diving into LibreChat, a powerful tool that brings polished, self-hosted AI chat directly into your business. Here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the AI subscription trap, look at what LibreChat is, explore its features and ecosystem, break down the financials, cover setup and migration, and finally deliver the final verdict. Let's get right into it. Section 1. The AI subscription track. So let me ask you, are you overpaying for your team's AI? Seriously, imagine giving your entire company AI access for the cost of a single server. In the commercial space, that sounds literally impossible, doesn't it? Well, here's the massive friction point we're seeing right now. Commercial plans like ChatGPT Team or Enterprise, they hit you with these scaling monthly fees, usually around $25 to $30 per head. But what businesses actually need is flexible, cost-controlled access for everyone, while keeping all those sensitive internal conversations completely private. Which brings us to a compelling alternative in Section 2. Enter LibreChat. Let's define exactly what we're looking at here. LibreChat is this wildly popular open-source platform released under the MIT license. Basically, that means it is completely free and fully yours to self-host and modify. It was built specifically to replicate and, frankly, extend that highly polished ChatGPT interface we're all used to. The real game changer is that it gives you a centralized, team-ready AI environment with exactly zero per-user licensing costs. Let's look under the hood in Section 3, Features and Ecosystem. Now, you might think going open source means you have to compromise on quality, but the feature list here is incredibly robust. First off, your team gets that familiar chat interface, so the learning curve is practically non-existent. You've got conversation history, file uploads for analyzing business documents, and even plugin integrations for web searching. Best of all, it connects you seamlessly to OpenAI, Anthropic, or even your own self-hosted models via Ollama, all from one central hub. And this is where you really get the best of both worlds. Adopting this platform doesn't mean you have to ditch commercial APIs entirely. It means you gain the flexibility to route your requests smartly. You can lean on free, self-hosted models for everyday drafting, and then just switch over to commercial APIs for the really heavy advanced tasks. You're never locked into just one provider. Let's look at the numbers in Section 4, the financial breakdown. Let's ground this in a real-world scenario. If you look at a standard 20-person team on a commercial ChatGPT team plan, you are bleeding about $500 to $600 every single month. But if you're running LibreChat with local models, your only real cost is the server hosting. We're talking maybe $40 to $70 a month. The contrast is just stark. So look at what this all adds up to. Over $5,000. By eliminating those restrictive per-user fees and spinning up local models, that 20-person company easily saves over $5,000 a year. And the best part? You are actually democratizing AI. Every single employee gets access, not just the lucky few who snagged a license. Let's talk logistics in Section 5, Setup and Migration. Transitioning your team is highly manageable if you follow this structured playbook. First, you deploy using Docker Compose, which is just a super standard way to run the software. Next, plug in your chosen AI models. Then, kick things off with a small pilot group to test out your real-world workflows. And finally, and this is absolutely crucial, run LibreChat in parallel with your old platform for about 3 to 5 weeks. Because your historical chats don't transfer over automatically, your team really needs that overlap to comfortably adjust to starting fresh. During this whole transition, you are completely taking back ownership of your data. By self-hosting, all those sensitive business conversations and uploaded documents stay securely within your own infrastructure. It totally neutralizes those lingering privacy concerns that keep a lot of companies from going all in on AI. Just keep in mind, because you own the data now, you are the one on the hook for regular server backups. Bringing it all together in Section 6, the final verdict. So let's be objective here. Who is this actually for? It's pretty much a slam dunk for SMEs that want team-wide AI, prioritize privacy, and crave flexibility. But we have to talk trade-offs. LibreChat does require some Docker familiarity and active server maintenance. Also, if you rely strictly on self-hosted local models, you might hit a slight capability ceiling compared to bleeding-edge commercial features, which can sometimes take a little time to trickle down to open-source interfaces. Now, on a quick side note before we wrap up, this explainer actually covers a huge milestone from our source material. This marks the 100th entry in their series mapping out free and open source software, or FOSS, for modern SMEs. They've covered the whole shebang, from ERPs and CRMs right through to infrastructure and AI. And I think this quote really hits the nail on the head regarding the tools they've explored. Genuine, professional-grade capability without the licensing cost. That really is the core promise here, culminating perfectly with LibreChat today. It proves that you absolutely can run powerful, scalable software without paying the traditional enterprise tax. It's all about taking back control. Which leaves us with one final, very fun thought. Now that you've got a concrete roadmap to democratize AI across your entire organization for basically the price of a server, how are you going to invest all those massive financial savings? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. I hope it helps you unlock the amazing tools out there for your business. Keep learning, keep building, and we'll catch you next time.